easy, the hearts of the red compared to Cynthia. We bring the news at your doorstep. We are here to serve you. Call on us to take your event to another height. Have you had a moment with Sid? It's the site owned by Cynthia Okere. Cynthia Okere.
My name is Honorable Karisa Nzai from Kenya, the political advisor in the office of the president.
You're welcome to Nigeria, sir. Is this your first time of coming to Nigeria?
Yes, it is my first time to be in Nigeria, but it should not be the last time because I will be coming several times because the people here in Nigeria are so welcoming. I don't know, maybe it's because of Christmas.
It's always been that mood.
Wow.
So just share your lived experience with us for the few time you have spent. How long have you spent here already?
I've been here for now 4 days, and it was wonderful, wonderful people. My person here, Adanji, who made sure that I was here, he made us to feel nice. We have beautiful hotels here, and we have really enjoyed it. In fact, in the conference
this is actually celebration period. The next match is around the corner. So how is the atmosphere like?
Wow, it is so great. People are so nice. People are so welcoming. Guys, in the world, Nigeria is a place to be, especially Lagos. Wow, the governor was very impressive. He welcomed us nicely. He gave us the leeway. So we have been moving around here, and I tell this is a nice place to be.
So which of the assumptions about Nigeria proved correct and which one is wrong with all the projections? So which is right and which is wrong?
You know, the point is Nigeria, you need to come up and sell because you have everything that you need. You have everything what you need. So the importance is to tell what you have, because when you have it and you don't say, people will not buy. But what you have, it's so great, so potential for everything. You have oil, you have everything, you have the seashore, the new port, what you are doing in Echo Atlantic. It's something marvelous. It is. I have never seen it anywhere. It is only in Kenya and here. So that's why I think it's the right time to Nigeria and Kenya to partner for many things, because they can come and learn from us. We as a leader, I have learned a lot from here.
So do you have any primary reason for your visits to Nigeria?
Yeah, I have, and I will come more and more, because right now with the collaboration that we are starting to have it, especially in the housing. When you are doing your housing, we have already started doing in housing, but you are doing it in the right way. For you are making sure that your people now have houses to be investors. They can come now and to do the investments here. So that's, I can say, one of the fundamental things that can make Nigeria more great.
So are you intending for any investments so soon?
Well, because of the conducive environment of Nigeria, I'm intending to be one of the investors here. Wow. Yeah, not only investing, but to stay too.
So how would you, because you happen to be a political advisor to the government, so how would you describe the current political relationship between Nigeria and Kenya?
It is a great one. It is a wonderful experience that Nigeria and Kenya, my president and the president of Nigeria, they are friends. They are friends. And even the governor mentioned to me, my president is his friend. So now I think, the stability of any nation is peace. The fundamental is peace. The peace that is here in Nigeria, that's what we have it in Kenya. You see, my president has a different approach in politics. What he did when we did our election and when our opposition wanted to bring chaos in our country, we reached out to them. What do they want to offer what we are not offering? And we came up together. We decided that now it is the time of the leaders to sit down, and the leaders sat down and proposed. My president reached out to them in the opposition, and he brought them on board. Now they are in government. The importance is not to kill the opposition. The importance is to put the country in peace. When the country is in peace, anybody can invest from everywhere. You look like now in this conference, people have come from Canada, Carlos from Canada, all over the world, and so many other people who came to this country because there is peace. If there were no peace, we wouldn't be here. So congratulations to the president of Nigeria for good work, and all government officers for what they are doing.
So if you have to mention, what are these basic areas of collaboration do you think Kenya and Nigeria will have?
One, it's port. Because some of the things I can see, they are doing importation from my country, and I see now we can export a lot from here, and also the tourism. In fact, the tourism, it is the backbone for every area of any country, because when you sell your country, the people who are from outside will come, and when they are here, they will see much more things. Only what we need to do is a few things that we will be able to do it. Like when any city that has many people is a city that is very clean. But you see the difference in Nigeria, the population is too big. The population of Lagos and the Nigeria is too big. But I'm very happy, I'm very positive that the government is working out on a way how to expand the town. And that is the only way now you can make your city clean. Because when you expand it, people are moving out from the town, then you can make sure you plan for your city.
So are there already talks on trade, security, and governance reforms?
Yes.
So,
yeah, and they are already in the plan. We are already in the plan, and Kenya and Nigeria are one. That's why we have so many Nigerians in Kenya. They have even the association in Kenya. So Nigerians who are in Kenya, feel free. You are home now.
The year is gradually wrapping up.
Yep.
So what role do you think regional blocs will play in strengthening both Kenya and Nigerian ties?
What makes now over all this is to make sure that the relationship has been continued and people are continue talking, and we share the ideas what Nigerian has and what Kenyan has. So I'm asking to the leaders, the diplomacy. Now it is your role, it is your time to make Kenya and Nigeria a sister cities. But like myself, I would say we need to make cities, these sister cities, we can make much more boundary more than any other, because now we are one, but we want to put it on type as it is.
So finally, a lot of projections about Africa. Let us look at it on the continent level. So what do you think Africa can do actually to move further than they are already, and also to change the negative narratives that are already there? What's your advice to the African leaders?
We must believe in ourselves. We can do it. If others have done, we can do it in Africa. As you coming together, let's have a common goal to make our people the best. Let's look for the things that have been snagging us for long. Let's stop corruption. Let's make sure that we are doing things right, and we will be there in terms of housing, in terms of everything. This country, Africa, is a beautiful continent that if the leaders can come up together and having a focus, I am telling you, people will come from all over the world and a key study, especially first in Nigeria and the other countries in Africa. We have everything that we need. So leaders, it is our time. Today we come together, we look this one, whosoever is down, let's hold him up, and we make our continent the best place for everybody. I wish Merry Christmas for the African people.
Thank you so much. Nice having you here.
Thank you, Cynthia.
News reports, event coverages, interviews, and happenings in the society. Call Moment with for news coverage of your events and entertainment. Cynthia Okere got you covered. Let's get started.